Introducing the Nokia 10 PureView. The Nokia 10 is coming with a 6.4-inch screen featuring with Super AMOLED UHD display, a 64-megapixel quad rear camera setup and a massive 7000 mAh battery with super fast charging. Lithium-ion 7000 mAh battery with fast battery charging at 50 watts. (64-megapixel AI quad rear camera, 64-megapixel wide, 12-megapixel telephoto, 20-megapixel ultra wide, and 3-megapixel depth sensor. +8 megapixel whole punch dual selfie camera. Snapdragon 865 processor and GPU Adreno 650. (6.71 inches AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1440 by 3200 pixels, 120Hz touch sensing, HDR10 and Corning Gorilla Glass 6. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. (6 and 8GB RAM, 64GB to 256GB storage option). IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Subscribe for more updates.